In this video, I will show you how to clear Steam cache. To get started, what you want to do is open up Steam on your computer or laptop, and once you're logged in, you want to come up to the top left hand corner of Steam, click onto the Steam icon, and from this menu that comes up, you want to come down and click onto settings. So once you have your settings window open, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto downloads. Once you've done that, what you need to do is scroll down a bit on the download settings, where you're going to find the option to clear your Steam cache. Now this is quite good to do if you are having problems downloading or starting apps. Sometimes this can potentially resolve any issues. So if you actually click the button here, and before you do this, it's going to restart Steam, so make sure to make a note of your login details so you can log in again. All you would do is simply click confirm. What that's going to do is clear your cache and log you out of Steam, and that is how to clear your Steam cache. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.